The strangle knot is a knot used to link a rope to an object, to a cylindrical object like this stick. For making this knot, we take a rope, we put it over the object like this, we turn it around, we put the running hand on the right side of the standing part, then over the left side, passing over the standing part, and then another time we pass the running hand here on the right side, not on the left side, on the right side. Then we put the running hand under the two objects, under the two loops like this, and then we just pull, and the knot is done. The load goes on the standing part and the knot works.